Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove white borders in Photoshop. We start by entering Photoshop, and we are going to create a layer of solid color that we want to put as a background to work on our image. Next, we add our image with a white border. After that, we right-click on the image layer and choose Select Pixels. Then, we will go to the selection menu, and within Modify, we click on Contract. Here, we will give a pixel value based on the thickness of the white border. In this case, it will be 5 pixels. We apply the changes. Finally, we are going to select the image layer and then click on the layer mask icon. We will see that the white border is masked and is no longer visible. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.